everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're unboxing the Purair Air Purifier from Resiners. It comes with two-stage filtration to remove VOCs, which is volatile organic compounds released from chemicals like epoxy resin. We have an instruction manual, and here's the cable. And here's the air purifier. What's nice is that it comes with a convenient little handle in the back here. And look at this filter. It is so pretty. I love this green. And it has a little leaf in the front. Let's go ahead and set it up. Make sure to remove the plastic bag from the filter. This filter says this side must face upwards. Here's a cable on the inside that we need to connect. We need to connect it to this port. I'm going to put the top back on and turn to lock. And connect this cable here. And we're ready to go. Now we plug it in. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And look how pretty this air purifier is. So here on the leaf it is glowing green, and this is because the air quality is good. And it will change to yellow or red depending on the air quality. I think that's a really cool feature. On the top here there are 5 buttons. This is the on-off button. This is to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Here's the fan speed. Here's the auto mode, and then here's the timer. It goes from 1 to 9 hours. So right now the filter is on low, and as you can hear, it's not very loud. Here is the airflow. You get a nice gentle breeze. Here's medium. And here's high. The panel here shows you the VOC concentration, the temperature of the room, the humidity, and other settings associated with the buttons. And this green panel here shows you the air quality. So green is good. And my favorite feature is this auto button. So when you're on auto, the air purifier will detect the air and automatically control the fan speed according to the air quality that it detects. Alright everyone, so what do you think of the Resiners Purair? I really love the design. It is super pretty. I love that leaf design. I love the lights and also the color of the machine. It's a pretty decent size, but it doesn't take up a lot of room. And the best part is it's very, very quiet. I feel the air quality is much better, and I feel much safer working with resin for long periods of time in this room. So if you're interested in the Resiners Purair for yourself, you can use my link down below in the description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!